subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola launched its new edition of its Edge series phone in the US market as Motorola Edge 2023. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 2023 edition features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC3 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Motorola Edge 2023 edition sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.4 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 4400 mAh battery, with 68 watts turbo power charging, and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. And it is also IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.52 by 72 by 7.64 millimeters, and it weighs around 168 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 2023 edition has been priced in the US market at $500, and it is now available for purchase in the country in single Eclipse black color option. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 2023 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.